All right, let's glue our pieces together. So obviously don't need to add any glue to the base piece. Make sure to get a little bit on this little tiny sliver here. We want to make sure that that gets stuck down. And these particular dies actually have little indents in them, so you can tell exactly where the next layer needs to go, which is really quite handy. And obviously you can see I don't put glue over the entire bottom. I just kind of put it around most of the edges. Any points that stick out, I tend to put the glue there. I mean, the other thing too is when you're gluing it in place, the glue tends to seep out a little bit and cover more area than where you put it. All right, first one is done. Let's get the second one here done. Make sure to get a little bit on that little sliver there. Obviously put too much glue there because it seeped out. The snow part would also look really, really pretty in a glitter cardstock as well. Or you could add stickles to the front of it, either way, but just add a little bit of a different texture would be lovely as well. There you go. Obviously I didn't put glue in there because it is sticking up, so I'm going to go back and do that. Oh, I just realized I have this aimed a little wrong, but that's okay. It's going to end up going behind here anyway, so you're really actually not going to see a whole lot of that. What you're going to see is the top, that darker part, and just a touch of that. So there we go. I've got two different hills here. I can take my half-done card and just slip both of them in there one at a time, and then choose which one it is that you prefer. I think for this, I kind of prefer this one here that we just did with the white, simply because it stands out a little bit more from the background there. So I think that's the one that I'm going to end up using on this card. All right, I've got a little bit of glue on my hands, so they're a little bit sticky. I'm going to clean up, and then the next video, we are going to attach our hills to the card.